Car Fast Charger 3.0 with 4 USB ports. It has overcurrent protection, undervoltage protection, overpower protection, short circuit protection, overvoltage protection, and overtemperature protection. Fast charging, safe, stable and firm, constantly charging while driving, with lighting display, soft blue indication light for power when the device is charging, LED display to better find the device with an upgraded chip. Multiple protection charging does not hurt the device. Stable charging speed up 60%. Compatible with various models. 12 to 32 volts voltage input, supports mainstream vehicles in the market. Portable and small, it will not occupy too much space.